Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita. I live in South Carolina. I am a wife and a mother of 3. I am budgeting so hard right now because my son was in the hospital back in August in the ICU for about a week, and he has a ton of medical bills. But today we are going to be stuffing $253 in our cash envelopes. I do have my paper where I budgeted, but I started doing Instacart, so I have a little bit more cash. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, so I had to check my lights, but hopefully you guys can see that. I feel like it's like overexposure. I'll have to figure out my settings later. But like I said, we are going to be stuffing $253. I did do my little budget at the beginning of this month, November, but some of them may get more, or some of them may get something because I do have zeros for some of them. So I have my sinking fund envelopes, and then I have just my regular envelopes. So about 5 of them have 0, and I am going to go ahead and put something in them. But let's go ahead and get started with this. First, we're going to start with my sinking fund envelopes. All right, so student loans. There, it says it's getting 0, so I'm gonna put that back there and see if I want to go ahead and put something in there anyway a little later. Next, taxes are gonna get 20, and I'm actually gonna put 20 in there. So 20, and I'm putting that 20 way over here simply because like I said, I'm doing Instacart, so my cash envelopes might be getting stuffed a little more. I did not write on my cards just yet, but I will eventually. Oh, 1111, make a wish. Deposit plus 20. Now we have 65. Did I already put the 20? I did not. So now we have 20, 40, 65 in taxes. Next, this video is going to be long because I didn't write on my cards. I apologize ahead of time. But travel is going to get 15. So now travel has 10, 15, 20, 40, 60. Next is laptop. Laptop is going to get 50, and the reason why laptop gets so much is because my motherboard on my laptop that I edit on broke. So I'm just waiting for them to tell me how much it is going to cost. My husband is in IT, and he said it might cost about $400, so I have just been saving up for that. So today, 1111 deposit plus 50. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 11. All these ones. So today's 1111, and it's $111. Next, car registration is going to get 5. So now car registration has 510. And I think my car registration be like 107, no more than $175, I do believe. Dental is going to get 5 as well. Typically all of my sinking fund envelopes get 50 unless it's like coming up soon. So now dental has 5 and 10. Back to school is going to get 5 as well. So now back to school has 5, 10. Vitamins. So of course I am plant-based, and I take a few different vitamins. And I have to, of course, they have to be vegan. So I get those from Whole Foods, and it costs me about $50 every 3 months. So That's why I'm just saving up for this. $5.10 is what Vitamins has now. Next is going to be my P.O. box. It's also going to get 5. So 11 deposit plus 5 gives us 10. 5.10. Sam's Club renewal is going to get, you know what, I just realized I haven't been writing over here. 15, back to school got 5, dental got 5, laptop got 50, P.O. box got 50, student loans, we haven't did it yet, 5, car registration got 5, and Sam's Club is also going to get 5. Oh, this is its first deposit. 11 deposit plus 5 gives us a balance of $5. Yeah. Every little bit counts. So next I am going to move on over to my regular envelopes. So let's see. Beauty is going to get 0 is what I have on the sheet. Spending money is going to get 20. I can't wait to go over me doing Cash App, you guys. It's going to really help me out, I feel like. And I am only going to do it on the weekend. But I'm going to go over that in my budget video. Alright, so did I take the 20? I don't know. I hope, let's see. 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. I guess I did. 59. Gas is going to get 10. First deposit for this too. I don't really, well now I have to drive, so I am going to start saving up a little more for gas since I'm going to be doing Instacart. But before I wasn't driving because I work from home and I typically don't go anywhere. So gas got 10. Oh, did I count it for you guys? No, it has 5, 10. Everyone is out of the house. Hair isn't going to get anything. Christmas doesn't get anything because I use my debit card because Christmas money is in the bank. So I'm just going to set that to the side. But everyone went to work, or not to work, to school. And my husband and I are getting ready to get on the road to go to Tennessee. But clothing's not going to get anything. So let's go ahead and just put that back over there. Joe's hair is going to get 5. I think Joe's hair is like good. He doesn't really need anything else. So Joe's hair got, I'm doing too much, 5. Does he have 35? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yep. Baby, no, I don't wanna go, you know. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. How much I hate sleeping alone. Medical is going to get 5. Never make it on my own. So now we have 10, 15, 16, 17. Groceries are going to get 40. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. I'm sorry I keep sniffing, you guys. My allergies have been insane lately. Like it's not November. It's so bizarre. Probably gonna go upstairs and take some Zyrtec before we get on the road. Next, Joe's spending. Okay, so Joe comes with me with Instacart. So now he gets a little more because I give him 30% of what we make. So Joe made $52 this past weekend when we did it. So he's gonna get 52. So 20. Let's count this. Let's just count it out. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That is for Joseph. So 11 deposit plus 52 gives him 55. I'm gonna put Instacart. Did I count 55? I really don't know. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Yes, he has 55 now. He's super excited. I'm so sorry for sniffing. That is so disgusting. But he's 15, so he's excited to make a little cash somehow. Next is eating out isn't going to get anything. So I have, let's see how many envelopes I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have $6 left. So eating out can get $2. And then I'll give the rest $1. Every little bit counts, right? So 1 and 2. Clothing is going to get 1. So now clothing has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next, let me put that. I'm putting this $2. Groceries got 40. Clothing, was that clothing that I just did? Yes, clothing got 1. Oops, well, beauty's getting 1. Clothing got 1. All right, beauty is gonna get $1 as well. So now beauty has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? What in the world? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, listen, I didn't even see the 5. There's something wrong with me. I did look away. I was looking away when I started counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all, it is early. It is early. I'm trying to get this recorded before we get on the road. But my hair is going to get $1. So now my hair has 5, 6, and like I said before, I do my own hair, so this is typically used on hair products so that I can do my hair. Right now I don't need anything, so we're good. Student loans is going to get $1. So now student loans has 10, 11. Oh, Alexa off. I shouldn't have said Alexa. She started talking. Okay, so now we are done. So I'm not going to total this simply because, like I said before, let me zoom in. So I'm not going to total this simply because we are doing Instacart now, and I might put a little more towards the envelopes, so I'm not going to total these just yet. That's why I wrote all the way on the left instead of like in the middle. But yeah, you guys, that was some good cash stuffing. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.